Today, we're going to show you how to add money to your Venmo account. And one important thing to know is that you do need to have the Venmo debit card in order to perform this action. If you need step-by-step instructions on how to get the Venmo debit card, we'll have instructions for that at the bottom of the video. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to click on the three lines on the top right of our screen right here. Once we click on that, we're going to go to the first line where it says manage balances in pretty blue letters. Once we click on that, we're going to see two options. One says to transfer to bank and the other says add money. For the instance of this video, we're going to go ahead and click the add money button. And from here, you'll be able to add whatever amount of funds you need to add. For this example, we're going to add $25 and hit done. So we'll see that it is pulling out of our bank account. Our ask is $25. And once it all looks right, we're going to go ahead and click on the next button. All right, and as you can see here, we need to review all of this information to make sure it looks correct. So as you can see, it's going to pull out of our bank account. It's estimated to arrive September 11th, and we are transferring $25. And as you can see at the bottom, transfers typically take between 3 to 5 business days to be fulfilled. Once that all looks excellent, we're going to go ahead and click the green Add Money button. And as you can see, our transfer has been initiated, and we should get an email letting us know that our transfer has been completed in 3 to 5 business days. The next video we're going to go over is how to actually request money from another person on Venmo. Click this video right here for that. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Eddie, and I can't wait to see you next time.